Hello everyone. In this opportunity, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mayzen Putra. You can call me Mayzen. I am the second child in my family, and I have one older sibling. I was born in Surabaya, September 2003. Now, I live at Street Bularukem 3, number 28, East Java, Surabaya. I really like music and I have played the basic science 6th grade. I work in Mitra Keluarga Kenjeran Hospital. I'm a staff maintenance operation support. My goal in studying mechanical engineering is to become an expert in the mechanical and electrical field that suits my job. Thanks for your attention. See you the next time and goodbye.